Have you ever walked into an old stone building on a hot day and felt a refreshing coolness, or noticed how a sunny window can keep a room cozy long after the sun goes down? These are everyday examples of how thermal mass works, quietly regulating temperatures. In passive solar design, you strategically place thermal mass materials inside your home, where they can absorb the sun's energy during the day and releases it slowly at night. This essential technique helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures naturally, reducing your reliance on mechanical heating and cooling systems. The core reason thermal mass works so well is its capacity to store heat. Materials like concrete, brick, stone, and even water have high specific heat, meaning they can absorb a lot of thermal energy without a significant change in their own temperature. When sunlight hits these surfaces, they soak up that warmth. Then, as the air cools after sunset, the thermal mass slowly radiates the stored heat back into the living space, stabilizing the temperature rather than allowing it to drop sharply. This creates a much more consistent and comfortable environment. To put this into practice, you would strategically incorporate these materials into components of your home that are exposed to direct sunlight during the heating season. This often means placing thermal mass in south-facing walls, floors, or even as part of internal structural elements like fireplaces or accent walls. For example, a polished concrete slab floor directly exposed to winter sun through south-facing windows is an excellent application. Another popular method is using water-filled containers, sometimes integrated into benches or shelving, which also efficiently store heat. An expert tip for maximizing effectiveness is to ensure the thermal mass is not covered by thick carpets or heavy furnishings that would insulate it from the sunlight during the day or prevent it from radiating heat at night. You are aiming for a direct connection between the sun and the mass. Additionally, consider the color of your thermal mass. Darker colors tend to absorb more heat, while lighter colors can reflect it, which is useful in warmer climates to avoid overheating. By understanding the simple principle of heat storage and thoughtful placement, you can harness the sun's natural energy to create a home that stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Incorporating thermal mass into your passive solar design helps ensure your living spaces remain consistently comfortable and energy efficient throughout the day and night.